Yes, thank you very much. It's been an honor to be elected the next president of the society. I've been involved in this for almost my entire career. And obviously, people who were around at that period of time know we were pariahs. Anybody believed in this or even thought about doing a surgical procedure, oh my God, tarred and feathered. I mean, it was crazy. And to see this evolve to this place is very exciting, especially with the faculty, a lot of academic interaction to help drive this. And we're always here for one reason, it's the patient. You know, that's the reason we're all taking the time off today. That's why we've made this commitment. Despite all the hurdles, I think is going to continue for that reason. So for that, we look forward to SIMEG's future educational meetings and collaborating with my colleagues.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Till the next time.
Yeah.
Right.